this video, we are creating SSL certification. In the last video, if you have seen, we have set up an EC2 instance. Then we have deployed our application on that instance, and with the IP, we are able to access that instance. In this video, we are going to create an SSL certification using certbot. So, firstly, we access that instance. Ticket. So, ये हमारी command. So you can check that we are on the server. Now to okay. Now firstly we create an route using route 53. So so this is our hosted zones and we are using pramathon.tech.co.in for now. So this is our domain and we are creating a subdomain uh, for which our server will point to that created domain. Now let me name as tutorial. Okay, so there are different types of record type A, 4 times A. This is for IPv4, this uses IPv6. CNAME is redirect to the server and similarly. Okay, in the value scenario, we just enter the IP of the server we are connecting with this route. So this is our server. This is the TTL. TTL is the time in which basically it is the time we can DNS take to update the record for if the server if on the server we want to update the record very sooner, so we change this to lower to 1 minute to 60 seconds, and in other case we can take it to 2 days, but it's better to keep it value around 300. Okay, so now we have created a route. Its name is tutorial. Okay, now first let's check our Nginx configuration. So this is our Nginx configuration which we have done before, in which we are accessing our server which listens at 8080 port, and we are connecting it with the localhost which is running on 3000 port of application. So now we just move this to the server. Now there's also a best practice that we just move this file to conf.d if there are multiple servers and we are connecting this to multiple ports, then it is better to use conf.t to keep our server file in conf.t. Now let me switch it. So let's delete this record. Okay, we have saved this and let's move to conf.t and use sudo one, and this let's say let me give it as any file tutorial.com. Now we have to put server configurations here. Okay, this is our server configuration. So in the server, okay, so the proxy pass is the localhost server. If you check 127.0.0.1 is our localhost server and our port is 3000, and in the server name we just keep the domain which we have created. So yeah, this is our record. This is our domain which we have created. Now we are going to paste this in this server name. Save this and reload the server. Okay, so our server is reloaded. Now we have to do one thing, that we have to add the SSL certification. For the SSL certification, we are going to install certbot. So firstly, we are installing certbot using Snap. Okay, sudo ln this. So basically, this command will create an image of the snap which we have created in the user bin certbot, so that we can directly make the configurations. Now let's download the Nginx plugin for the certbot and set up download our SSL certificates. Okay, and ask for a mail ID for it requires for the promotional only. It doesn't get. Okay, okay. So in this, the files you created in the con.d is visible here, and we want to download the certificates for tutorial pramathon.co.in. So we just use one. So our certificates will download for this configuration. Okay, so it has installed our certificates and saved it in the reference in the file. So if we check here, etc nginx con.d ls vim.com. So these are the um, so this you can see certbot have created the SSL certification and passes the link certificates here. So if we just reload this configuration and we move to this address using HTTPS, so you can see our app is visible here. Thank you.